Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Less Than Free by Kane and H.E.R. We're going to be playing this on the ukulele. We got three chords here. First chord we're going to use is the A flat major 7. So 1, 2, 3 here, and then pointer top. And then the next chord is going to be G minor. Next chord, this is a F major 7. Oh, sorry, F minor 7. Okay, so A flat major 7, G minor, and then F minor. Alright, so what you hear is the picking of the guitar. To make it easy, I'm just gonna go down. I'll play it and then I'll kind of slow it down so I can show you guys. So there, all I'm doing, I'm just following the how the guitar is being played, kind of with a little delay. So it goes. So that's the picking that I use for the song. And a strum pattern, simple down note. So. You can add in more strums to that too, but so you can add in more strums to that too, but that's just a basic and easy way to play this. Thanks again for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.